What are the three problems dealerships have with F&I? Simply put, undertrained, underskilled finance managers who do not know how to build massive value in their products and strategically close customers because either they're undertrained or they've been trained wrong. So therefore the outcomes, the results, the lack of product sales, the lack of revenue, the lack of customer satisfaction, the lack of PVR, and the lack of all of the above is the major problems among many that dealerships find about their F&I department and the lack of generating the revenue in the most profitable square footage in that store. So those are problems that we solve. Training, that's the problems that we solve within that dealership.